The Aceh Jaya police arrested 11 Sumatran elephant poachers in Tui Peria village. The suspects allegedly killed 5 Sumatran elephants and sold their tusks. They planned the brutal action specifically for a number of elephants in the rural area of Aceh Jaya.
Kronologisnya, jadi pada hari Jumat, tanggal 27 Agustus 2021 pukul 3, Satreskrim Polres Aceh Jaya berhasil mengamankan 7 pelaku, di mana 6 pelaku diamankan di Desa Tui Peria, Kecamatan Pasiraya, Kabupaten Aceh Jaya, dan 1 pelaku diamankan di Kota Banda Aceh.
The suspects broke natural resources, conservation, and ecosystem law, facing a maximum charge of 5 years in prison and a maximum fine of 100 million rupiahs. For the past few years, conflict between Sumatran elephants and local residents rose due to massive land clearing. The elephants, whose natural habitat is damaged, often seek food at residential areas. The poachers took advantage of the situation by killing the elephants and taking its tusks to be sold. See Today contributor, reporting from Aceh Jaya.